outdoors here. And I figured it's a good little sunny little day. All blue skies. I'm gonna come out here, try to call a little bit. Since I pulled my traps, I'm gonna try to call a little bit. And at this old white house right here, I'm trying to be a little quiet. We'll see if we can get one out of here. Usually them raccoons come right out, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we have to fly out right here on the Foxbird. Get down the coon, turn on raccoon fight. Alright, let me sit here and wait. There he is, folks. I can't really show his head. It's a little graphic. But he's a little muddy coon is what he is. I guess he actually came out right there. Right here. Ran on over to the trap. And hell, we smoked him. But 177 pellet rifle done its job again. Thanks, folks. Have a good one.